How to fix Game of Fate 3 Clash of Crowns is crashing on Steam, or this name in Chinese. First, you want to go to your Steam library and right click on the game and open up the properties window. And then in the general tab launch options box, you want to type -dx11 like this. And then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking. Now once this is done, you can close this and open up your browser and search for Redist. And then you will need to go to the first Microsoft link, scroll down to this table here, and make sure to download the 86 and the 64 versions of these redistributable installers and install both of them. And this will ask you to restart your system, but before you do that, you will need to also make sure that you have the latest graphics card updates. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you will need NVIDIA app, which is this one here. You can go to the drivers tab and select game ready driver, check for updates, and make sure to get the latest game ready driver update installed. And once you do that, you can proceed to restart your system. And after the restart, you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can try to launch the game again, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.